Good day, Teacher Vanessa. I am Maurice J.S. Enad. This is my video about the sound of animals. One day, I went to safari. I saw many animals. As I entered the zoo, I met a white wolf and greeted me with a loud "Ow! Ow!" Ooh, so cute! And I smiled. I continued to walk. Suddenly, I heard a "Sss, sss." Oh no! It was a big yellow snake. I ran away. As I take a rest, I see a beautiful bird sanctuary. The birds were singing, tweet, tweet, tweet. It was so relaxing looking at the flying birds. Eventually, my friend Jovel called me because she saw a big wild tiger. I went to her and I heard a loud sound. Roar! Roar! It was a tiger. I ran fast as I can because I'm afraid of wild animals. It was a wonderful experience. That's all about my Cebu Safari adventure. Thank you, Teacher Vanessa, and see you around. Bye!